Hey everybody, so here's my model and I'm going to be doing a somewhat of a faded, lightly disconnected spiked haircut, or like a modern spiked haircut. So this is great for somebody who is looking to have an extreme type of look. You've got a good amount of hair, you're able to work with it. You want to, have some sort of spike on the top, some texture to it. This is a good haircut for that. And I am actually creating a little bit of a disconnection to make it more extreme. And there's nothing wrong with having an extreme type of haircut like this. It's almost like, a mohawk of some sorts, but a modern, spiked up type look. Now, as you can see, we're trying to follow the head shape. And here's where I'm blending everything in right throughout the back here. And I'm going to be doing some point cutting to give it that shape, to give it that texture. And, I'm also taking off a little bit of length, but we wanted to keep a good amount of length on top just because I guess he was into the length on top. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just trying to move my hands around, trying to sculpt it a little bit. This is the key part, is you want to make sure that when you're getting your haircut, or even if you're doing it yourself, you don't ever want to cut the front too short. You always want to make sure that the front, for the most part, is the longest area of the hair, right? So I think I was like a number one guard. You can use whatever guard you want. But the key here is to create that kind of separation, that disconnection. I used my Tidal Wave spray as a pre-styler, and then I went in with talc. And now he's checking it out. He's totally feeling it. Again, this is something that he specifically wanted. Is this a haircut for everybody? Not necessarily. But again, it's something that, as you can see, it really fits his profile well. Really followed up his head shape where it's a little bit kind of longer throughout the middle, and I worked that in throughout the back. If you have a calic or a swirl, you need to actually cut that a bit shorter in order to make sure it blends in to the back. And that's where working those styles and those swirls or calics in actually becomes part of the style. So it really follows and contours his head shape. And then the top, again, he had a good amount of hair, wanted to leave some length on top, and I just went in and wanted to create a little more of a volume type of haircut with some texture, and he was totally into it. So let me know in the comments below if this is a haircut that you are wearing, if this is something that, you may want to check out. It works good for, round face shapes because we're kind of narrowing out those sides a little bit and creating the height on top. Also for somewhat square face shapes as well. If you're interested in using any of my products, use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.